Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby.
Finally, I'm in Vienna and I'm starting my year of travel. It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon now. I left my house at about 7 a.m. to go to the airport, obviously.
We would also like to remind you to observe social distancing advice.
What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleep,
And then get on the airplane.
sleep talk, that's all I got. What can I say with a million things?
Now please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, leg level folded up, sit back in an upright position, armrests down and window blinds fully open.
Wake up.
And then get on a train and then get to the hotels.
Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday. Man, I won't reach, but I don't even.
It was grand, like there was no queuing for ages or anything. My like vaccine thing was checked when I got to Austria and then when I got to the hotel. But I'm here now, I'm absolutely roasting and I'm tired. So I'm gonna do a room tour for you, have a nap, then have a shower and then go out later on for food. The hotel I'm staying in is called the New France. I'll link it below. And it's really nice. It was €191 for 4 nights, which is a Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night. So I think that's really good. It's like €50 per night. The rooms are really nice, but just be warned, if you're sharing with someone, the bathroom is quite open. So I'll show you the room now. So this is the door you enter in. On this side you have like a wardrobe space, a few shelves, towels. They have this, which I haven't looked at yet, but it looks like it's games. The floor, it's carpet, but it looks like wood. This is the bathroom, or at least the shower and sink area. As you can see, if you're sharing with someone, it's not very private. Oh, you can open it. I didn't know you could do that, right? So you can make it even less private. Some people might be okay with that. I know me and my friends would be like, no, you need to get out of the room while I'm showering. I can't do that. They have this. Oh, a nice wallpaper. TV. And they actually have a speaker, so you could connect that to your phone. And this is the bed. Or, well, it's 2 single beds. They always seem to have in kind of Austria, Germany, those type of countries. Nice mood lighting. I'm on the first floor. There's the reception and stuff below me, and then I'll do the rooms up there. I've been to Austria before, so I kind of know what it's like. I will be doing a few touristy things and obviously filming it for you.
But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only lavender
Hello,
dreams,
good morning.
baby.
It's now Saturday. So yesterday I didn't really do much. I had breakfast, went into the main city centre, which is like 5 minutes on a tram.
Bitte seien Sie achtsam. Andere brauchen Ihren Sitzplatz vielleicht notwendiger.
What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk.
Went into St. Stephen's Cathedral, I think it's called. Walked around, had lunch, did a bit of shopping.
I just sleep talk, that's all I got. What can I say with a million things?
Then came back to the hotel.
Erase million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
Then went out for dinner. Then came back to the hotel. Today I'm going to the Schonbrunn Palace. Schonbrunn Palace. I was in Vienna before when we were interrailing, and we did go to this palace, but me and Tara stayed outside because they've gardens and stuff, and Liam went in by himself. So now I'm actually going to go in and do the tour, and then I'll have a look around the gardens afterwards. I haven't really like filmed talking to the camera when I'm out because I don't know, I feel a bit anxious, so I don't want to make myself feel more anxious by like filming stuff. But I'll try film a little bit today when I'm walking around the gardens or something after the tour. As you can see, I've made it. There it is. The journey took like 40 minutes or something, so I'm here a bit early. So I'm just going to sit here and relax. The weather, it's actually like cold enough. Like I could have wore jeans, but I wore shorts because I'm on holidays. It looks a lot less busier than the last time I was here. The last time I was here, you enter like over there, and the queue was like all the way down there. That's why me and Tara said no thanks, because we didn't want a queue. And Liam was like, oh well, I'm just gonna go up and go in anyway. Just gonna sit here for a while I wait for my time to be able to go in. As you can see, I'm outside now. It's slightly cold. The palace tour is good. Like it's €18 and you see, I don't know, maybe 20 rooms or something. Honestly, I'd just come here and go to the gardens because the gardens are free, so you can walk around.
That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
The gardens are the nicer bit, I think. So I'm just gonna walk around here for a bit and then go back into Vienna for lunch. I'm already hungry and it's like 11:30, so I just had a donut. So that should do me for a while.